you need to think through your metrics and what you were. But this is with any kind of major tooling change in your organization. Rather than just taking on tools for the sake of taking on tools, in this example, taking on product-led growth tools because everybody is talking about them is probably not the right way to go about it. Rather, try to see if you have a business model that can facilitate product-led growth, and then look at the kinds of problems you need to solve and find software or find solutions, not even necessarily software, but very likely software indeed. Try to find solutions that fit with the kinds of problems that you need to have them fit with. Make sure that they integrate with the rest of the technology stack that you have in your company, so that you don't introduce more friction in the sales process. It should be the other way around, right? You should try to use the power of product-led growth tools to reduce the friction for the customer and for salespeople and for the rest of the organization.